Hi there, my name's Hannah Black and I'm one of the Senior Clinical Pharmacists at Colton and the Grange Medical Centre, and I'm also Mental Health Lead. 10th of October is World Mental Health Day, and as a practice we wanted to speak to our patients and do a video to inform you of mental health services available in Leeds and also how to access such resources. There's no doubt that this year has brought its challenges, yet for some individuals and communities it has also allowed for a period of reflection. By thinking about what we have missed, it has also reminded us of what is important to us and perhaps made us think about what we need to do to care for ourselves and our mental health. Self-care is so important, and sometimes it's hard to know where to begin. For some, self-care might be going for a walk with a friend or picking up the phone and having a chat. For others, it might be having a nightly routine and winding down before going to sleep and having a good night's rest. There's a wealth of information available and sometimes it can feel a little overwhelming. So I hope this video will help signpost you to some resources that you might find helpful. And please do look at our website, which will be updated and is regularly updated with different information around mental health. One of the great resources to access is something online called Mindwell. Mindwell is a mental health website for adults in Leeds. It works with NHS Leeds CCG, Leeds City Council and other third sector groups in one place. It allows you to access information on housing and homelessness or bereavement or gender identity. It allows you to access information on what to do if you're feeling unwell, if you're having panic attacks or anxiety. You can use it to access for yourself or for someone else if you're looking after them or concerned about them. And it gives you information of what to do in an emergency. For younger people, there's also a website called MindMate. And this can help with their mental health and well-being. It's got great links around coping with lots of common issues. It's got it's got games which people can access and dealing with stress and starting conversations. We're really, really fortunate to have access to these things in Leeds. And we've also got some other social prescribing services in Leeds which we can access. And there's something called Linking Leeds. Some of you might have come across social prescribing before, but some people might not know what it is. Social prescribing is a way of linking you with services and activities within your community to improve your health and well-being. It looks after specific areas such as emotional support and well-being, financial support, housing, and social networks and relationships. In addition to Linking Leeds, there are also other local services and charities and other organisations, such as Crossgate and District Good Neighbours schemes, which help reduce loneliness and isolation. They help support independence and promote healthy lifestyles in the over 60s. Beyond these services, there's also something else called One You Leeds, which also can be accessed online. One You Leeds is great for people who might be affected with things like wanting to stop smoking and not knowing where to go for that, or perhaps wanting to lose weight or be more active. It's a great website to access and has some great useful facilities on there which you can signpost yourself and refer yourself to. In addition to that, there's something called the Leeds Mental Wellbeing Services. The Leeds Mental Wellbeing Service offers psychological therapies for common mental health problems such as anxiety and depression. They also offer a range of psychological interventions, including group-based discussions, one-to-one therapies, one-off sessions, classes, and other online support which you can access at your own pace and see if that feels appropriate for you. Finally, beyond this, we can also do things within practice. If a clinician feels that it's needed, we have access to refer onwards, and there are other teams which we can work with, including the primary care mental health team, the community mental health team, and the medicines optimisation liaison service for mental health. You're not alone. There's loads of things out there. Please do have a look at our website. Please do have a look at the things mentioned in the video today and see if that can help support you. Thanks so much.